busting. Guess what, nigga? You expel. Yo, what up, YouTube? What up, YouTube? 1630 analysis on the NYC session. You know, same old, same old. Same old, same old. I ain't even gonna hold you today. I had like zero intentions of streaming today. Zero, bro. Zero. Today I had absolutely like zero intentions of streaming. I don't even go hold you. I ain't even gonna hold you. Today I had absolutely zero intentions of streaming. So, what we gonna do? Okay, the first thing we gonna do is we're gonna look for. That's why it's so difficult because I can hardly see these gray indicators. That's why I was asking myself, why is it so difficult for me to see? You know what, bro? Let me change my setup, bro. Okay, so I checked on the 1 minute. Let me show you. Checked on the 1 minute. This is the 30 minute. I want to show you guys. Because this is the first thing I do, especially when it's like 16:30 straight up. What time is it now? Yeah, 16:30. This is the one thing I do. I check for confirmation indicators at 16:30. If I don't see a confirmation indicator, then I wait and then I analyze the trends that are happening currently in the market. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my canvas back to black. This white canvas it's not for me, man. I really tried, bro. It's really not for me. Okay, this black canvas is ridiculous, bro. Wait, was my canvas always like this color? Wasn't it like a dark green or something? Yeah, I'm looking for a shade to color my canvas, because I think if I can get a color to go against my canvas, then I'm going to be able to see confirmation indicators a lot better. Because right now I'm struggling to see these confirmation indicators, bro. Okay, let's revert back to grid lines. No grid lines. No grid lines. Pan separators. I don't know what that is. Crosshead. What's a crosshead, bro? Oh, that crosshead. Yeah. Wait, I'm almost done. You guys are about to see what I'm seeing in a few seconds. Y'all are gonna see what I'm looking at in a few seconds. Not gonna lie, I kind of regret changing my layout from what it was before all of this. Cause this white layout, bro, there's just something about this white layout. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't think this thing is gonna continue buying. I want to show you guys why I don't think this thing is gonna continue buying. I don't think this thing is gonna continue buying. Look at this, right? This is obviously a 3, where wherever it breaks here, we look for a retest, and then you look to take this thing up. So it looks like it came back again and it's retesting this level. So yeah, because it's playing around this price, I don't think it's gonna continue going up. that's my first like hypothesis really. That's my first take. That's my first take. Okay, in a second I'm gonna share my template. In a second I'm about to share my template. For now, let's go. Let's see if this is any better. Yeah, bro, why aren't you changing? Why is this thing not changing? Okay, let me. See, this is just a lot better, bro. This is a whole lot better. Or am I wildin'? This is just better, bro. This is just so much better. This is just so much better. Like, for the indicators is what I mean. Like, to spot these confirmation indicators, this is just a whole lot better. Looks like on the 1 minute we're about to get a buy confirmation. Okay. Yo, by the way, today, dude, I have been trying my best to fund my account, but I haven't been able to. Like, just everything has been stopping me from funding today. I have no idea why. I genuinely have no idea. And usually, on the 28 days, usually a good day to make some money. Because numerology and all that. But let's see, man. Let's see. Okay. Is there an indicator here? Yeah, there is. So let's do that. It's actually here, but we'll put it right here. It didn't touch this line, and this line has been, wait, I think we have an indicator. No, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna show you something. Look at this line. This is the same line where I was saying this thing is definitely gonna go up and break this line. So I think we can confirm that this thing is gonna go up based on these two. The other one confirmed here and it didn't go up here. So I think this thing's gonna go up. Right now I see this thing going up. I see it going up, but I wanna see for how long. Come on, nigga. Okay. I see it going up. I ain't got no problems with all of this. Okay, we have our indicator confirmation on the. We have our indication confirmation. Wait, before I get too excited. Okay, this is too far. Before I get excited on that buy, let me hold that thought. Let me hold that buy thought, bro. Let me drop this here. Yeah, let me drop this right here. Let's drop that right there, and then let's drop these other guys. Let's drop this other guy right here. Let's drop this other guy right here. Okay, let's move this here. seeing a bunch of buy confirmations that was there. We'll put that over there. And then obviously these are forming like a swing momentum of sorts. They're forming a swing, a momentum swing. They're forming a momentum swing. Okay, I see why what happened yesterday. I mean today. I see why what happened today happened. I'm not getting a proper like I'm not getting a proper place to enter. Really. I'm just struggling to find a good place to find an entry. I just drew that on my desktop. I just drew this on my desktop. There's no confirmation on the 1 minute. Let's look from the 5. Looks like 5 minute might have a confirmation for us. It's over there. That's fine. We'll just put it there. We'll just put it here. That's fine. Let's go to the 1 minute. It's not there. So this is a weak trend line. Very weak. Very stupidly weak trend line. How about this though? How about I put this and then bring it down like here? That's not like, and then what, bro? You feel me? And then what? And then what is the next question? I do that and then what? So I think for now, is it also a no trade day? Yeah, that would be hard, bro. 2 days no trades. 2 days no trades is ridiculous, bro. Let me see something. 5-3, that's 3 points. We would have been down 3 points right now if I had taken that buy. And I'm not seeing a good sell, and I don't see any other place where we can get a good sell anytime here. We can't get a good sell. It looks like on the 1 minute we might get another buy confirmation. Maybe on this buy confirmation we'll enter. Maybe we'll enter off this buy confirmation. But even still, bro, even still, it's very tricky. Go to the 5 minute time frame. I'm not seeing any entries right now. I really am not. Like, I'm not seeing anything right now. I don't even want to hold you. I'm really not seeing anything right now. That's over here. Kind of far from this, but we'll take it. Kind of far, but not really, but we'll take it. Okay. That is ridiculously far. That's also not a confirmation, so let's not take that. How about this? How about this? How about this? How about that? Okay, this is not too bad. We'll take this. We will take this. Overall, this is a very weak trend line. Okay, let's go for the buy. If we get a buy confirmation right here, we'll take this buy. if we see a buy confirmation, we will take this buy. Yep. Okay, yeah, let's enter. Let's take this thing and take this thing up. Let's take this thing up. So we're gonna buy from where market is right now. Gonna say 8 points. Let's say 8 points. Yeah, let's take this thing up, bro. Let's take this thing up. Yeah, from where market is right now. Wait, let me do this. Gonna set this thing on my desktop. Damn, very strong bearish momentum that I'm seeing. It's quite heavy. Quite a heavy amount of bearish momentum that I'm seeing for this trade. Okay, let's drop a young 1 to 2. Let's drop a young 1 to 2. Let's drop another. Let's drop a stop loss trade. Let me drop a young stop loss trade. Right. Also gonna rock another 8 points here. Something light, man. Something light. Yeah, today let's focus on a 1 to 2. Let's divert our attention to 1 to 2s right now. And for today, this is what I'm seeing, bro. Today, this is absolutely what I am seeing. Really, bro. This is absolutely what I'm seeing right now. Yo, where's this momentum coming from? The thing is, I'm not even seeing, like, bro, I'm struggling to see why this thing would sell, bro. Considering how weak this thing is. Nah, fam. I don't see a sell, bro. the only reason why I did say though that because of that whole thing that I just showed you guys, that's kind of why I would think that it would continue selling. But right now, let's take this thing out, bro. Let's take this thing up. Let's take this thing up. Let's take this thing up. I don't know. I feel like with this one, let's watch it play out. I want to see this one play out. I want to see this trade play out. There's a lot of momentum right now, so I'm gonna post the screenshot on Reddit for y'all. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. Damn, I don't have a good feeling about this week. Yeah, I think I'm gonna watch this one play out. Let's watch this one play out. Okay, I posted the screenshot on Reddit. So I'm gonna watch this trade play out with you guys. Because today's trade is just confusing me, bro. Even finding an analysis for it was kind of difficult. I think we're seeing a bit of a young momentum swing there. You think it's too late to switch? Still, nevertheless, even if I'm taking this momentum swing, I don't like what I'm seeing from it. I don't like what I'm seeing from this momentum swing either. Yo, dude, I think I read this chart wrong, bro. I really think I might have read this chart wrong. But you know what? I'm gonna stick to my initial analysis. And I'm not going to overanalyze. Oh, fuck, bro. I think I might have read this analysis wrong. Fuck, I think I might have read this analysis wrong. Look at that. It's starting to make a whole lot more sense like this. It really is starting to make so much sense like this. really looks like it's about to sell, bro. It really looks like it's about to sell. This sell indicator is more there, but I mean, more or less it's the same thing. Where's the other one? The other one's this one. So I think that's on the 5 minute. I'll have another look. Which time frame is this? You see, bro. And that's more here. It's more here than it is there. I just put it there because I don't know, bro. But it's really forming a momentum swing. That's the thing. That's why it's really confusing me. It's forming a momentum swing. That's it, bro. I think after today, I'm gonna erase everything from my chart. You see, even this one, it's not here. It's actually here. And if it's, and look where I put it, but it's actually supposed to be somewhere here. So even in terms of that, like when I look at trying to sell, yes, I do think this thing is not really necessarily gonna buy like crazy. But look at these buy indicators, bro. These buy indicators are a lot more cleaner than the sell indicators. Okay, that's 1 minute. That's 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you on the 1 minute time frame. What just happened? I'm gonna show y'all on the 1 minute time frame. This is the first one. Okay, you see this one was literally the next candlestick. That's not too bad, so I put it here. That is not too bad. Now let's go down so I can show you guys on these other ones. Okay, this one, maybe on the 1 minute I'll have I'll confirm on the 1 minute, but it was actually there. I'll confirm on the 5 minute with that indicator. Yo, what type of indicators have I been putting today, bro? Huh? What in the world, bro? This is here, but I put it here. Why did I do that? Why on earth did I do that, bro? I feel like today I'm just, this week I'm just trading with my nuts, bro. You see, this indicator ain't here. I just showed y'all that that indicator ain't there. But like, you know, we could take that in. Look where this indicator is. This indicator is somewhere here. But look where I put it. I put it there. This one, not still, bro. Yo, this week, the indicators this week are nuts, bro. The indicators this week are nuts, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The indicators that I'm seeing this week are ridiculous, bro. So honestly, the one thing I can like see from all of this is this momentum swing that's forming. This momentum swing that's forming. But even this momentum swing, the confirmation indicators are also just taking a fucking dive, bro. See, this is supposed to be somewhere here. I put it there. Why the fuck I put it there? That's a damn good question. That is a damn good question. Why the fuck did I put this indicator over here? Hi, dog. You know what? I'm gonna avoid over analyzing. I'm not gonna change my decision. I'm gonna stand with what I said. However, I will emphasize that focus on a 1 to 2 year. I think this week the market is just very, and it's not giving me anything solid this week. This week I'm not seeing anything like solid. I'm really not seeing anything solid this week. I'm not seeing anything solid this week, bro. Not even gonna lie to y'all. So I'm gonna watch this one play out with you guys, because I see a lot of momentum right now. By the way, I think I've taken a decision, bro. No more trading London session. No more trading London session, bro. I don't know what type of smoke crack niggas be smoking at that London session, bro. So I'm done trading London session. This thing is dropping, bro. Oh, this thing is dropping. You know what? If it does continue dropping, it'll be a good note. It'll be a good note to really prioritize the momentum swing above everything if everything else is not giving me a good setup. This thing is dropping, bro. This thing is dropping, bro. But you know what? It'll come up. It'll come up. Maybe this is just a stop hunt. Minus 2%. Minus 0.02%. Minus 0.3%. Minus 0.04%. Minus 13%. Okay, the first one just hit our stop loss. The first one just hit our stop loss. So, you know, guys, if you guys are really messing with it, you can switch and start selling and use the same 8 point risk. Me personally, I'm not deviating from this buy. If the stop loss trade hits, then we'll accept that market is just going up today. I mean, we'll just accept that market is going down today. Look at that, it literally went to a stop loss, now it's coming back up. Literally went to stop loss, now it's going back up. Let's go. Let's see what this thing is doing. Bruh, it literally went to my stop loss and just continued jumping back up. going down again. It's going down again. Let me see if there's an indicator confirmation here. This is so good, bro. Let me keep this here because on my let me interesting stuff that I'm seeing right here. On the 1 minute, it was about to give us a confirmation. It was about to give us a confirmation on the 1 minute, but I think it cancelled that. Minus 0.09%, minus 0.09%. There we go. It's going back down. Okay, this thing is going, it looks like it's going down because on the 1 minute, okay, no, it didn't give us a confirmation on the 1 minute. This thing is going down, bro. I don't even want to lie to you. Right now, it looks like it's going down. Right now, it looks like it's going down. It really looks like it's going down. It's going down, bro. It's going down. I'm thinking about it, but I don't want to make it a habit, you know? I don't want to make this thing of like changing my mind and changing trades a habit. I really don't want to make it a habit, so let's hold this buy, bro. Let me bring this a lot closer. Let me bring that a bit closer. Let me bring this a bit closer. A bit closer. Let me bring that a bit closer. Let me bring that a bit closer. A bit closer. Seems like there's a lot of momentum in the market right now. It'll be definitely a very big learning curve right now if this doesn't play out the way I'm seeing it to play out. If this doesn't continue going up, it'll be a very big learning curve. But right now, I'm just seeing this thing going up. Still seeing this thing going up right now. Unless it breaks below our entry. It looks like it wants to go down again. looks like it's trying to go down again. It's going up. It's going up. Yeah, like I said, bro, because of how weak all these indicators are, how weak all, pardon me, because of how weak all these indicator confirmations are, I don't see this thing going down, bro. I'm really struggling to see how this thing is gonna go down. That's why I'm holding this buy. Yo, imagine if I had changed my position and started selling. Yo, if I started selling, bro, I would have been in losses right now. Had I started selling, I probably would have been in losses right now. But that's only for right now. Who knows what's gonna happen in the next 15 minutes? Anything could happen in the next 15 minutes. Oh, where's my bottle of water? It's so far from me. And you see on the, we're about to get a confirmation. We're about to get a bullish confirmation, but we're also about to get a bearish confirmation on the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame is about to give us a bearish. I think. Wait, what time is it now? It's like 17:12. 17:12 right now. So that's like 3 minutes away from the next 5 minute confirmation. So, the 1 minute is about to give us a bearish confirmation. It's on the fourth full candlestick. I mean, no, it's on the fourth full bar. On the fourth full bearish bar. Yo, what do you guys think about this new layout, bro? I think it's really different. I think what I was trying to focus on the most is making these indicators like visible. I think on the clear chart, on the clear canvas, you couldn't really see those properly. So that's why I kind of opted to swap for a darker canvas. So the 1 minute looks like it's about to give us another sell confirmation. The 1 minute time frame looks like it's about to give us another sell confirmation. This thing is about to go up. I think it was just going for stop loss hunt. That was just a stop hunt. Yo, yesterday's trade pissed me off. Not yesterday. When was Tuesday? Tuesday was yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday's trades really messed me up, bro. They both just messed me up so freaking much. I just deleted all those. Oh, yeah. Wait, yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday, no? Was it the day before? Can't tell. So on the 1 minute time frame, we just got a bearish confirmation. Let me share this with you guys. On the 1 minute time frame, we just got a bearish confirmation. We just had this. You see, this is what I call a good indicator, bro. This is a good indicator. Having this and then having this at the top. This is a good indicator, bro. That is a good indicator. Not all these other indicators I've been drawing this whole time. Really, bro. W leak. Really, bro. Not all these indicators I've been drawing this whole time. Right now, the determining factor, okay, we just got a bullish confirmation. We just got a bullish confirmation. We'll take this and put that there. We just got a bullish confirmation. This is good. This is so good You guys have no idea. This is so great, especially because look at this. Both these candlesticks closed above this candle, this trend line. So right now, whatever happens between these two prices, whatever happens between those two area of price will determine what direction this trend is going. For sure, bro. For sure. Whatever happens right now will determine which direction price is going. Okay, let's just hold that. Let's hold that buy confirmation. Let's hold that buy trade right now. For now. For now, let's just hold that buy. Minus 0,05, so it's going up a bit. Looks like it's going up a bit. If we can get to minus 0,01, that would be great. That would be great. If we were to get anywhere above minus 0,01 would be insanely great. Right now it's moving very undecisive. It's going back down again. But the one thing we definitely don't need is a minus 0.13. That's one thing we definitely don't need right now. A minus 0.13 is the one thing we don't need right now. Yo, tell me, drop something. Do you guys prefer me like staying after analysis like this, or do you just prefer me dropping an analysis and then disappearing from the chat? What y'all prefer, man? I don't know. I feel like this is a lot more not inclusive, but more in your face, you know? Don't think in your face is really the right word, but this is more personal. This is really more up close and personal. Minus 0,05%. 3299. That's where price is right now. 3299. Minus 0.04%. These are all good numbers. We just patience. Minus 0,05. Patience. Anything is good, bro. Anything above minus 0,13 is insanely good, bro. Anything above minus 0,13, I'll take it, bro. I'll take it, because right now where price is, we're about to make back what we lost. I think if price could get to 0.25, yeah, plus 0.25 is a good 1 to 1.3. I think so. But right now price is really struggling to move. I think it's struggling to find direction. It tried to go up, but then came back down again. I wonder what that was about. I wonder what that was about. But right now it's really struggling to find momentum. Like I said, I think it was just that. I think this was just a stop hand, bro. Look at how it moved just to come down here, and then it went up. I think that was just a stop hand. Because the longer it stays here, the higher the probability that it's gonna go up. Really. The longer it stays here, the higher the probability that it's gonna go up. Come on! Yes! Yes! Go up. Let's go! Let's go! It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. Dude, if it breaks the formation of this if it breaks the structure of a momentum swing down, this is great, bro. If it breaks the structure of the momentum swing down, this is absolutely good, bro. So minus 0.01. That's where we at right now. Minus 0.01. Minus 0.02. It's going back down a bit. It's going back down a bit. Minus 0.01. What's that? Also, if this does continue going up, this would also be a good thing to learn from, really. Wait, is this my book of notes? Guys, I'm really thinking about writing no solid confirmation indicators equals to a, it's going down, lower probability. It's going back down. We don't need that. We don't need that. Go up, go up. We don't need that, bro. We don't need that. We don't need this thing going down. We don't need this thing going down, bro. We don't need that. Yo, do we have any indicator confirmations? Looks like on the 1 minute it's trying to give us an indicator confirmation. I don't know about the 5 minute. Let me just have a look. Yes, yes, yes. It's going down again. On the 5 minute, it's still continuing from this previous confirmation, that the most recent bullish confirmation that we just got. So on the 5 minute, still maintaining that this thing is going to go up. The 1 minute, not so much. Dude, I'm telling you, once we can get a break above this red line, a break above this red line would be insanely good, bro. But what we don't need right now is it continuing in the formation of the momentum swing. Minus 0.05 is the current price. Minus 0.05. Minus 0.05. Minus 0.06. minus 0.06. Why is market slowing down? Why is the market slowing down? Minus 0.05. Minus 0.5. I need to stop paying for TradingView, bro. Also, I need a broker I can trade that'll allow me to trade on TradingView, bro. I'm tired of these meta traders, bro. Fuck meta trader, bro. Honestly, fuck meta trader, bro. Damn, minus 0.07. Where's this bearish momentum coming from? Minus 0.08. Minus 0.06. Yo, should I turn up the heater? Alright, y'all gonna have to forgive me for a second. I need to turn up the heater, bro. But how am I gonna do that? Cause that nigga, that extension cord, bro, is fucked up, and I don't even have the screws to fix it. Minus 0.07. So that's like minus 2 points. Ugh, minus 0.08, bro. This thing is going down. Why the fuck is this thing going down? Minus 0.08. Oof, minus 0.1, bro. Minus 0.1. Yeah, this don't look good. Ugh, minus 0.11. This don't look good. Nah, it's not looking good now. It's not looking good. Minus 0.12. Minus 0.13. Minus 0.15. Minus 0.16. Okay, we've officially entered our risk. Minus 0.17. Yeah, by the way, that's probably where we would have found SAR entries. Minus 0.18. Minus 0.18. The sound momentum is just insane, bro. Minus 0.20. minus 0.20 officially. Now this thing is going down, bro. Minus 0.24. Yep, but this thing is definitely going down. Minus 0.24. Minus 0.2321. Minus 0.22. Are we gonna get another bullish confirmation on the 1 minute? Minus 0.20. Minus 0.21. Minus 0.2%. Minus 0.19%. Minus 0.18%. Minus 0.18. What do you want, Brenda?
I don't want to just
I'm
if
cool.
do you want or you don't want. If you want or you don't want.
I'm coming.
Oh.
I'm coming, man. I'm coming, man. Sheesh, I think it's a bit blurry. Don't think that helped. I think that just made it worse. Yeah, that didn't help at all. Okay, guys. You know what, man? I think I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna still hold on this buy. Then we'll come back tomorrow. For now, let me leave y'all here.